Today, we will be talking about high cholesterol, which is a common health problem faced by many people around the world. High cholesterol can lead to serious health problems such as heart disease, stroke, and even death if not managed properly. While medication is often prescribed to manage high cholesterol, there are also natural remedies that can help control and lower cholesterol levels. In this video, we will discuss the causes and symptoms of high cholesterol, and provide you with some natural remedies that you can use to help control your cholesterol levels. Causes and symptoms of high cholesterol. Before we delve into natural remedies, it is important to understand what causes high cholesterol and what symptoms to look out for. High cholesterol is caused by a number of factors, including a diet high in saturated and trans fats, lack of exercise, obesity, smoking, and genetics. When cholesterol levels in the blood become too high, it can lead to the buildup of plaque in the arteries, which can eventually lead to heart disease and stroke. Genetics. Your genes play a role in how much cholesterol your body produces. High cholesterol can run in families due to genetic conditions such as familial hypercholesterolemia. Age and gender. As you age, your cholesterol levels tend to increase. Women usually have lower total cholesterol levels than men until menopause, when their cholesterol levels tend to increase. Poor diet. A diet high in saturated and trans fats, cholesterol, and refined carbohydrates can increase your LDL, bad, cholesterol levels and decrease your HDL, good, cholesterol levels. Lack of exercise. Physical activity helps lower LDL, bad, cholesterol levels and increase HDL, good, cholesterol levels. A sedentary lifestyle can lead to higher cholesterol levels. Obesity. Being overweight or obese can increase your LDL, bad, cholesterol levels and decrease your HDL, good, cholesterol levels. Smoking. Smoking can damage your blood vessels, leading to a buildup of plaque and cholesterol in the arteries. Medical conditions. Certain medical conditions such as diabetes, hypothyroidism, and kidney disease can increase your risk of high cholesterol. Medications. Certain medications such as diuretics, beta blockers, and corticosteroids can increase your LDL, bad, cholesterol levels. Symptoms of high cholesterol are often not noticeable until it is too late. Therefore, it is important to get regular checkups to monitor your cholesterol levels. However, some symptoms that may indicate high cholesterol levels include chest pain, numbness or tingling in the hands or feet, shortness of breath, and fatigue. Natural remedies for high cholesterol. Now that we have a better understanding of what high cholesterol is and what causes it, let's discuss some natural remedies that can help control and lower cholesterol levels. 1. Exercise regularly. Exercise is one of the most effective ways to manage high cholesterol levels. Regular exercise can help increase the levels of HDL, good, cholesterol in your blood, which helps remove LDL, bad, cholesterol from your arteries. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. 2. Eat a heart-healthy diet. A diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean protein can help lower cholesterol levels. Avoid foods high in saturated and trans fats, such as fried foods, processed meats, and baked goods. 3. Consume healthy fats. Consuming healthy fats such as monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats can help lower cholesterol levels. Foods that are high in healthy fats include nuts, seeds, avocados, and fatty fish such as salmon and tuna. 4. Drink green tea. Drinking green tea has been shown to help lower cholesterol levels. Green tea contains compounds called catechins, which are believed to help prevent the absorption of cholesterol in the body. Drink green tea. Green tea contains antioxidants called catechins that can help lower LDL, bad cholesterol levels and reduce inflammation in the body. Try drinking 2 to 3 cups of green tea per day. 5. Consume garlic. Garlic is a natural remedy that has been shown to help lower cholesterol levels. Garlic contains compounds that help prevent the buildup of plaque in the arteries. Try adding garlic to your meals or taking a garlic supplement. 6. Drink red wine in moderation. Drinking red wine in moderation has been shown to help increase HDL, good cholesterol levels. However, it is important to drink red wine in moderation, as excessive alcohol consumption can lead to other health problems. 7. Manage stress. Chronic stress can lead to high cholesterol levels. Practicing stress management techniques such as meditation, yoga, or deep breathing exercises can help lower cholesterol levels. 8. Eat fiber-rich foods. Fiber helps reduce cholesterol absorption in the body. Aim for at least 25 to 30 grams of fiber per day from whole grains, fruits, vegetables, legumes, and nuts. 9. Consume omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids help reduce inflammation and lower triglyceride levels in the blood, which can help lower cholesterol levels. Foods that are high in omega-3 fatty acids include fatty fish such as salmon and tuna, flax seeds, chia seeds, and walnuts. 10. Try polycosanol. Polycosanol is a natural supplement derived from sugar cane that has been shown to help lower LDL, bad cholesterol levels. It works by blocking cholesterol production in the liver. Speak to your healthcare provider before taking any new supplements. 11. Use olive oil. Olive oil contains heart-healthy monounsaturated fats and antioxidants that can help lower LDL, bad cholesterol levels. Use olive oil in cooking or as a salad dressing. 12. Drink hibiscus tea. Hibiscus tea has been shown to help lower cholesterol levels. It contains antioxidants that can help lower LDL, bad cholesterol levels and increase HDL, good cholesterol levels. 13. Consume berries. Berries such as strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries contain antioxidants called polyphenols that can help lower LDL, bad cholesterol levels. 14. Try artichoke leaf extract. Artichoke leaf extract has been shown to help lower cholesterol levels. It works by increasing the breakdown of cholesterol in the liver. Speak to your healthcare provider before taking any new supplements. High cholesterol is a common condition that can increase your risk of heart disease and stroke. Fortunately, there are several natural remedies that can help you manage your cholesterol levels and reduce your risk of these serious health issues. By incorporating the remedies discussed in this video, such as regular exercise, a healthy diet rich in whole foods, and natural supplements like garlic, apple cider vinegar, and red yeast rice, you can lower your cholesterol levels and improve your overall health. It's important to remember that natural remedies are not a substitute for medical treatment or medication, so it's always best to consult with your healthcare provider before trying any new remedies or supplements. With a little effort and commitment, you can achieve healthy cholesterol levels and reduce your risk of heart disease and stroke. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more contents like this.